Good morning and welcome to our video. We are so glad that you are here today. It is such a gorgeous day. We have some fun things planned and we're so glad that you're here with us. Guys, so we're getting ready to go. We're gonna have a fun little day. I got a pile of stuff here that's going with us. Any guesses on where we're going? So we're off to go to our little town beach. They just opened it a few days ago and I heard through the grapevine that it's not very crowded. So we're gonna go and try. Hopefully it doesn't get too crowded and everybody keeps their distances. That's the one thing I am a little bit worried about, but I think if we play it safe, it will be okay. And like I said, I talked to another parent and she said that they had gone a couple times and it was not busy at all. So keep our fingers crossed and hopefully we'll have a fun afternoon. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yay! Zane, what are you doing, bud? Are you digging? Are you digging? Hi, buddy. Hi. It's a big sandbox. Ready for snacks?
Your toes.
Samantha, what happened? Where are your feet?
I'm a mermaid.
Oh my goodness. Are you helping? Nice.
Wait, help me please. That's perfect, that's perfect. Sam.
Now you're a mermaid?
Sam,
Wow.
my toes.
There's like
Just add on
nobody here really.
Yeah. Okay, Charlie, get out.
We have our own private beach.
No, I want to stay. My toes is here.
I forgot to pick up the camera, but we had a nice little time at the beach. It started to get a little bit busy towards when we left. So then we headed out, but we pretty much, there was only a couple of families there at the beach when we were there, and we really enjoyed it. And then now Sam is off to her friend's house for a little while. And Charlie, where are we going?
To McDonald's.
We're gonna go to McDonald's to get a Happy Meal for Charlie. So it was nice. A couple weeks ago when Sam had her eye appointment, we went and we had a little special date. So now me and Charlie and Zane are gonna have a special date. We're just gonna go through the drive-thru and take it home, but a special treat, right? A special treat.
Yeah.
That puts a smile on your face, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's where we're off to. Charlotte Sue, are you excited?
Yeah.
Happy Meal time.
I want to see what the toy is.
You want to see what the toy is?
Yeah. I'm thinking they're too funny. It's a ball.
It's a ball. Oh, that's so cute. Zane's gonna love that.
Yeah.
That's adorable. It's Minions. So cute.
It's the one with the mustache.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Good night. We'll see you tomorrow.
Leave a comment if you ever buried yourself in the beach.
Ooh, in the sand? Good question. That was cool, huh? Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.
Mm.
Peace out, kids.